Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you a guide to using NextGen tutorial for beginners. First is logging in into the NextGen EMR portal via the website. Next is navigating the dashboard. Now, managing patient records. Search for patient. Use the search bar by entering name, ID, or contact details. Update records. Click on a patient's file, update demographics, insurance, or clinical notes. Use templates for SOAP notes or custom notes. On scheduling appointments, navigate to the scheduling tab, select the date and time slot, add patient details, and reason for the visit. Set reminders to reduce no-shows. Next is clinical workflows. Use pre-built templates for common procedures and diagnosis. Automate prescription orders via integrated e-prescribing, ERX, and track lab orders and results directly in the system. Next is the billing and claims. Go to the billing tab, generate claims for completed visits, review rejected claims, and resubmit after correction. Monitor payments and outstanding balances. Report and analytics. Access practice performance report for patient volume, revenue cycle management, compliance with MACRA or MIPS. And that's basically it.